Greetings, Tennessee disciples. This is Reverend Kevin McNeil here. As I'm sitting here this morning in front of this window, enjoying the bright light, letting the light shine in the room, I'm reminded of our upcoming regional assembly on October 11th and 12th in Memphis, Tennessee, and in reminding you all to show up for our 2024 regional assembly entitled Our World, the Way, the Truth, and the Life from Ephesians 2 and 10. We invite you all to come and to join us at Anointed Temple of Praise and Central Christian Church for a celebration of our shared kinship as members of the body of Christ. As we prepare to come together as part of it's part family revival, part spiritual training and formation, and part handling the business of ministry for our region. There's been much movement in our region in the last year. Since the last regional assembly, there have been ministers who've transitioned through retirement or to other regions. There have been a change in the throughout the leadership of our region. But also, there are some many things that have happened that have been wonderful and things that have been going on. And so I invite you to come to spend this time together in fellowship and learning and celebration and worship together. We are having persons participating from across the life and the breadth of our vast and deep region, sharing their gifts, their graces, and their abilities. And it will not be a reunion without you. We need you to show up and to come and be with us as we come together. There are classes and things for all of us to take. There are the traditional lunches and things that are going to be happening. We have a great list of speakers and presenters, and we want you to show up to come to Memphis, meet us at ATOP, meet us at Central, so that we can share this time together. As we move into another 2-year cycle, we also want to be reminded that not just Regional Assembly is in Memphis, but also General Assembly will be in Memphis on next year. And so come to Regional Assembly as we're gearing up to prepare ourselves after Regional Assembly to head towards General Assembly. One of the things that we want to remind each of you is that we're all a part of the same body, the part of the same branch tree with different branches, and we want to to remind each of us that as a part of the Tennessee region, we are in this work together. As always, I invite you to reach out to the regional office, to reach out to me if there's anything that you need, if there's anything you're looking for, or if, hey, maybe you just want to visit, maybe you just want to talk with the regional minister, please feel free to reach out. I'm out going all over the place, and I enjoy just the fellowship with my Tennessee brothers and sisters. So, as we find ourselves heading into this time, there are many people who have many thoughts, questions, and concerns. There are many people who have gifts to bring to bear. And so, Regional Assembly, we invite you to come. There will also be time at Regional Assembly to do a listening session to talk about the next regional minister. There'll be time at Regional Assembly for us to come together and to voice our cares and our concerns. As always, it is my pleasure to serve as your interim regional minister. God bless you. God keep you. I pray for you that God's light shine on you and through you, and that all are blessed.